At the surface, we have this frontal
brand newfangled idea. Just
including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Saw the big picture forecast at 10 after for those of you who missed it. For now, let's send it over to Vivian for a look at the storm.